All right, y'all. So I got a late start today. It's about 11 a.m. I was supposed to leave like way earlier. Blah, blah, blah. So I got a late start, but I'm headed up to, I'm about an hour away from the Manistee National Forest. And I'm going to do some solo tent camping and hiking with a hot stove and all of the stuff. And I've already had some things go awry, so keep this video short. But I'm gonna walk you all through. We're gonna see how this goes. Because I'm already up here, and this is the roads and everything. It's like a icy type of situation. Lots of fallen branches. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'll be out here for a couple days. I'm gonna try to get as much stuff on video for y'all as I can, so I can check it out. See what other outdoor stuff Michigan got to offer in the same place I've been going for the last 30 years. It's starting to look interesting, y'all. Starting to look interesting. All right. So, I gotta get used to this tent thing. All right. So, let's see. We got a little piece of fat wood here. Just bought straight from like Home Depot or something. I'm gonna use this as my starter today. And then I've got a pile of dry wood here. I've got to get my stuff organized. I'll get some lights set up and all of that. I got the fire out there going, but I want to get this stove going just in case. I don't know how safe it's going to be using a propane blowtorch inside my tent, but let's feed in some of this wood. It's cold and wet. Hopefully it catches. Like I said, I can just use the blowtorch again if need be and get it cool. That's what I'm probably going to do to start it, just because I don't feel like fiddling with this a long time. All right, y'all. It is, looks like it's just about to go on 7 o'clock in a minute or so. I've got, still learning how to use my stove here. I mean, it's burning wood. Just trying to get my temperature control together. I keep getting a lot of smoke in here, but it is time for me to eat. So let's see. I've got, I think what I'm gonna do, I've got some chimichurri marinated venison tenderloin. I'm gonna go outside here and just cook it in the fire. So let's see. Let's go drop this bad boy in the campfire. Mother Nature almost took your boy out. Okay. Alright. I left my hat out here. Alright. So, stick my hat right there for right now. We'll pop this. I'm gonna pop it right on top here. Alright, yeah. I could mess up my pan a little bit. I don't have no plate, so turn that to the side. But, that ain't bad. I have to be sitting in the woods. Yard. Oh yeah, that's good. I can't really. And that's a nice green chimichurri. Pan's cooled off good. I guess it would, seeing it's sitting in snow. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pour chimichurri right over the venison. Oh yeah. Just a complete lay of the land. Fire starting to die out, and I had the rope, so I pulled the food up in the tree. That way I don't have any smells or anything bringing anything right in trying to get inside the tent. So the fire's dying down. About to get the chair, take it on in, and it was almost lost my fork. It is nice and warm and toasty inside the tent. So let's go on in here real quick. Yeah, I keep everything super organized in these tents here. So, you know what? I could probably take this off actually. Ooh, hat's a little cold, but that's cool. I'm warm. So, let's see. I got my light hanging up right there. I'm not gonna blind y'all with it, but I got my little stuff. I forgot to put my chimichurri back in the bag, and I got me some little munchies. I'm gonna eat on that. Notebook and stuff, so I can, write down anything that comes to me when I'm up here with all this nice quiet. But yes, I'm good and toasty warm. I'm about to get out of these boots, let them warm up, and then I fold out my sleeping bag and everything. I can tell you the one thing I know I'm going to have to bring next time is a small rug or something like that where I can knock my feet off, because the base, got water everywhere from tracking the snow in, and when I was building it and the wood and everything. So I'm going to finish getting set up real quick. And might make one more video or so, and then we're gonna probably start getting ready for bed. Alright, y'all. It is 9:11 p.m. I've eaten. I've got firewood. I got the stove going. It's so warm. See, I'm down to t-shirt. And I'm tired, so I guess I'm just about to go to bed. I checked the last little piece of setup. My chair over there. that's just my hydration pack that I just have never moved, so it's just gonna stay there. And over here we got the stove doing this thing. Ain't going out the stove jack. And then I got my boots sitting right up under the stove, trying to get those dried out good. Had some wood that I had drying out next to stuff. And then I just got that's like my little mess area, socks and type of stuff in boxes and everything. And then I got little blow up pillow deal. And that's it. I mean, I got everything that I could possibly need. I got me a little something to munch on real quick. But I'm about to go ahead and crash, y'all. Catch y'all in the AM.